The report section allows users to view and manage all reports generated by themselves or their team members. Users can generate a new report by clicking the Generate button. This opens a form where a user can select the type of report and desired data range. Once submitted, the system processes the request, and the user will receive a notification when the report is ready. After a report is generated, it appears in a list of reports on the page. Each report displays key details, such that the report type name, the report period, the person who generated it, and the date where it was generated. From here, reports can be easily downloaded to the user's local device for future use. This section provides a straightforward way to access, track, and generate reports, ensuring all necessary data is readily available for analysis or sharing.